In this video, I will show you how to display stock market data in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to install a plugin. So scroll down right here until you can see the option right here for plugins. Click on this add new option right here. And then once you have clicked on that, this will load you in order to show you the WordPress marketplace for plugins. Now you can see in here the search bar, so just search in here for stock market overview. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results related to that. Now we have in here the stock market overview by Stock.to, so make sure to click on it. And then from in there, just head over and install and activate it. So from in there, it will install this plugin right there. Once it's been installed, over to this settings, click on the stock market overview right here in order to access the plugin that we have just installed. Now in here, we can see this. So scroll down and in here, it will ask for the app key. So just head over and click on this link. And then on this link right here, we should be able to see the stockto.com. Click on this get an app key. And then it will ask you to log in or sign up. So I'll just head over and sign up in just a few seconds. So I've already signed up and now I have my app key. So click on this icon right here in order to copy the app key that we have. And then let's head over right here and then let's add it right here and paste it. And then click on the save changes right here in order to save the changes we have made. So as you can see, we have now this settings right here. You can change the width, the height, and all of these things that we have in here as well. And from in there, you should be able to see that we have now added this. Now from in there, let's head back to our Stock.to. Click on this endpoints right here. And then once you have clicked on our endpoints, we can choose which ones we want to add to our page. Now you can choose some charts that they have right here. So on this case, I'll choose this market overview chart. So I'll just head over and click on it. And then in here, I can see this request code. Click on this request code right here. And now you have this. So what you can do in this case is just click on this icon in order to copy all of this right here. Then once you have copied it, head over to any page wherein you want to add it. So on my case, I'll head over and add this to my page in here and then search in here for the code for HTML. Now let me just add HTML right here on the very bottom of this particular screen in here. Once it's been added, I'll just head over and paste the code. Click on this preview right here. And then in here, it actually show the actual part of that specific graph, but you need to head over and verify your email first in order to actually display it. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.